In this video, we're going to talk about how to fix Cash App Bitcoin withdrawal canceled for your protection. Now, this is going to be this error over here. So in case you're getting anything similar over here, where it simply says kind of this red exclamation mark, and then there's the withdrawal canceled message, this withdrawal was canceled for your protection, you actually have a few things you can do to prevent this and actually fix the issue. Now, we're going to go through every single one, and hopefully by the end of this video, we're going to be able to change it for you and make your things work again. So the first one and the first thing you should do actually is going to be to verify. Now, what I mean by verify is you want to verify your account balance. Now, to verify your account balance, of course, this is because you can't just send money in case you don't have it in your cash balance. So if you are not holding enough Bitcoin basically in your Cash App balance, well, then you may be getting this issue because essentially you are not holding enough to actually withdraw. So you may get this canceled for your protection. Notice over here in case that is the case. Now, the second thing, which actually works for a lot of people, is I would actually recommend you update the app. Okay, so just go to your either Apple App Store, or Google Play Store, and on there find your Cash App and just simply update it, because usually this will solve the issue. Now, the third thing you can do, in case you haven't done that yet, again, it's gonna be verify, but this time it's gonna be verify your account. Now, what I mean by this is you'll have to go to your profile and then make sure all your information is correct. In case any of your info is incorrect, or maybe there's some old info in there, like you got a new ID card or something like that, and you haven't updated your info, this may be the reason for this error to happen. So make sure you actually verify everything correctly and make sure that your basically either driver's license or state ID are completely verified, and your verification process inside Cash App is completely set and done. So the easiest way to check is if it says that you have to verify, basically just verify, but if there's no messages anywhere of you having to verify, it means you're good. Now, the fourth one is going to be your internet connection. Now, sometimes this could actually be caused by bad internet connection. I'm going to type Wi-Fi over here. So in case you have bad internet, just switch on to maybe data or another network, because this may also help you resolve the issue in case it's happening to you. This is actually quite simple, so of course try it out in case it works for you. Now, the next thing would be you actually may need to update your debit card info. And what this means, let me type write card over here, there we go. So what you probably have to do is you will have to check your card details. Now, if your card has possibly expired or your billing address has changed, you will need to update the card information inside the Cash App. So this goes both for normal transactions you're trying to withdraw, as well as for Bitcoin. This could happen as well, okay? So for an expired card, in case your card has expired, you must just order a new one or pay with your bank account instead, or try to withdraw to your bank account instead, okay? Now, then we also have your sixth over here. So basically, in case you're not using the app, but you're trying to do that for some reason on your computer, you want to make sure you clear your website browser cache and cookies, okay? So I'm going to type in cache CNC basically. So basically, what this means is, in case you are facing this issue, you may have to, on your phone, clear your cache and your cookies. So the way you can do this is you want to go to your app's info and just clear that, or on your computer, do exactly the same inside your browser. So yeah, try that, and if it works, I hope it does. Now, the seventh and basically the last step you can do over here, if all of this failed up top, what you can do is contact them, okay? Because you can actually contact their customer service, and then basically, if you can't figure it out by yourself, they will help you out and let you know why basically your Cash App isn't making payments. Now, of course, I would do this as the very last step, because it's gonna be a bit of a lengthy process, because sometimes it can be a bit of a hassle to reach them. So if you can fix this issue doing any of these 6 previous steps over here, you're very welcome to. But of course, if none of these work, try just contacting them and see if they can help you. And in most cases, of course, they'll be able to help you because they have a great customer care. So that's pretty much it. Of course, if you're trying to find the number, you can find it inside the app or on the website. Basically, they work usually from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. ET. So yeah, that's that. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.